I'm up 9% until the 1st of June. And this month I'm also up 9%. So together it's 18% this year so far.
Please tell us your name and where are you from?
My name is Carola and I'm from the Netherlands.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so what was your experience before coming on the Investment Mastery Workshop?
None.
Nothing?
I never traded. No.
Okay, so why did you do it? Like, what were your outcomes? What were you hoping to achieve?
I thought for my pension, because I'm self-employed, I don't have a pension plan. I thought, oh, that might be a good thing to do.
Okay. Did you have, so it was basically creating wealth rather than cash flow. It was more growing.
Yeah. Yes.
I like that. Yeah. That's really cool. Okay, good. What was the best thing about the workshop?
Well, I did the workshop twice. The first time was 2 days and the second time was 3 days. And I think the third day added was really great with all the mindset stuff, because that's what it's about. The technical stuff is not the difficult. Just, try it and practice, but especially the mindset stuff. Yeah.
Very good. And what have been your results since the workshop?
Well, my first year was not that good. I was very optimistic and okay, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna live off it. But since
you're gonna live off it? I thought you were growing your pension. What happened?
Yes, well, you happened. No, I started realizing that I can do more than just my pension. So, this year so far, I'm doing much better. I'm up 9% until the 1st of June. And this month I'm also up 9%. So together it's 18% this year so far.
That's on your entire portfolio?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And which strategy is the one that you use the most?
It differs because of the volatility of last couple of months. There were not a lot of buffalo opportunities, but I did have some really good one this month. I did some VCA, and I also do some crypto VCA.
Oh, tell us about that. Have you been successful with that?
Yes, actually I have. Yeah, I'm up 35% now on Ethereum. And I'm waiting for the 50%, but it's gone down yesterday, so hopefully it's going up again. And otherwise, I just buy more. And then
yeah. So Ethereum is the one that you are kind of doing the VCA on.
Yes, and XRP.
Interesting. I think that's a good strategy actually, because Ethereum is like better than Bitcoin, so you've got all that upside because it went to 1,400, so you've got that upside, but with that safety. Whereas XRP, everybody loves XRP. And it hasn't yet quite delivered, like with the price. Everybody loves it because it's working with over 200 banks. So that could be the one that Foom really kind of goes up, which is good. So tell me, Carola, this is really important. Now, how many minutes do you spend a day on this?
Well, once you're in, you only check, okay, do I have to adjust my stop loss? Do I have to, how's my watch list? Are there any other opportunities? That doesn't take a lot of time. I think that's really 20 minutes a day. But I'm really studying your stuff, so I'm watching all the videos again, and while setting up accounts for crypto is always a bit special and a bit, you've never done it, and it goes out in space, and what happens? So I spend a lot of time on trading and investing. I actually cut down my working hours because I want to day trade more. The RSI strategy from Dennis, I want to work with more, and another day trading strategy. So I'm really serious about this. I really want to be able to live off it.
Fantastic. Okay. And you obviously enjoy it then?
Yes, I do. Yes.
What do you enjoy about it?
I think the analyzing, also talking with my trading buddies, what strategies and what do you think of the airlines now? Will they come up again? And I just enjoy it. And, you know, when it goes my way, it's excellent, of course. But when it doesn't go my way, I want to know why it doesn't go my way. So,
Yeah, was it
yeah.
you or was it the market? Yeah.
I think I just like figures.
And what would you say to somebody who's thinking about doing this? They're like, yeah, sounds good, but you know, I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's how I started. I went to an evening of Rob Alders on a very hot August night. And after that, I went to the workshop and I was like, well, we'll see. And from the first minute, I got hooked. I thought, wow, this is great. And I may be a nerd now, even, because I want to know everything. But yes, I would absolutely recommend it. Yeah, absolutely. And especially because you have the coaches and the every week webinar where you can ask questions, and the what's it called, the clubs you have, the crypto club, the forums for all the stuff. So that's really great. So if you have questions or you don't know how to handle, you can always call or email or put it on the forum, and that's great.
What's the most difficult thing you found about trading and investing?
Patience. I'm not a patience person, and I was like, well, I'm doing the right thing. Why am I not earning money? What's happening? So yeah, and that's the great thing about doing the workshops. You get to meet the other traders and talk about how trading is going, and then you hear that more people are like you, that they had a very bad first year, but they make it the year after, and they're building up.
Yes, yeah, that's good. That's encouraging. Which
Yeah,
is good.
absolutely.
Mindset again, yeah. Fantastic. Anything you want to add?
Well, I think you have great coaches. So far, Dennis, of course, as trainer as well, and Rob Alders, and now I'm with Eamon. He's also a nerd like me. And I really like his explanation, and I really get him. So it's, you know, he talks a lot about the movement, and I watched his webinars, and I was like, I don't know what you're talking about, but one-on-one, I get it. So, and they are all so patient.
It's all about price action. Yeah.
Yeah, but all your staff is so friendly and helpful. You know, if I'm there in the trading room, the last time was, I think, in January. We went out for lunch, all of us together, and talking, and it was just nice. It's just a great surrounding to be. So
great, wonderful. Well, wish you obviously continued success and to continue being inspiration to others. Yes, well, you make it happen. Thanks, Carola.
Absolutely. You're welcome. Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Awesome.